crazy, but I'm back. We are back and so much better. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the AlphaAvGeeks family. To our returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and rocking with us. So today's video is so special. Screams! So today's video, where do I even start? So today's video, we are reviewing the Qatar Airlines, and I am screaming. Like, we are so excited to bring this to you guys. It's something we've been wanting to do for the longest time, and finally we're doing it. And we hope you guys enjoy this content, and we hope you learn a thing or two. So I'm about to leave for the airport. It's about, what time is it? It's 8 p.m. So basically we'll be flying from Nairobi to Cape Town. We're gonna pass through Doha for a layover. I'm gonna tell you guys everything once I get to the airport. So right now I'm about to leave for the airport so that I can get there early and show you guys the business class lounge. I want to be on time so that we don't miss anything. So yeah, that's the tea. And I'll see you guys in the airport, and I'll tell you guys, I'll just you guys everything, what we are reviewing, what plane we are boarding, literally everything. But just know it's Qatar Airlines. So I hope you're expecting something nice, something exclusive, something bring it to you guys. So make sure you subscribe and join the family, and see you guys at the airport. Bye.
Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get hot.
Hi guys, so I managed to check in. It was quite easy, let me not lie, but I lost my yellow fever card. I don't even know how. That was like just Mercury retrograde. So anyway, I went and like found it. Ilikuwa imeanguka hapo kwa entrance. They kept it for me, they gave me, then I check in. So right now I'm heading to the lounge. I've been directed to the Turkish lounge, so that's where I'm going. So I'll see you guys there. I look crazy. I just need to sit down and eat. I'm starving. I am starving.
So guys, I got to the Turkish Airlines lounge, and this is just me walking to the washroom to show you guys the washroom. So this is how you enter, but before that there's a shower, which I wasn't able to capture last time. So here is how the shower looks. It's really pretty, really nice. So you can shower in the lounge, which is nice. So next up, they also have a prayer room for Muslims in case you want to do your daily prayer. They have that covered. So this is how the washroom looks like. Very clean, very nice. Absolutely loved it. The colors, the decor, everything was really nice. So immediately after I left the washroom, I went and sat down. Then after a while, I went to serve food. So the food selection was quite underwhelming. They didn't have like a lot of options, but the drinks, they had like a lot of drinks. So if you are someone who likes like drinks and stuff, they have like a really wide selection of drinks, as you can see. So this is what I had.
Hi guys, so I left the lounge. I'm now heading to the boarding gate. My boarding gate is gate 10. It's let me show you guys the time. It's 12:30. I'm supposed to be boarding at 12:45, and I'm still here. So let me just hurry up so I can show you guys like how the anyway. So I need to hurry up because my boarding gate is gate 10, and I'm in gate 4. So I need to hurry up. Okay, let's do this.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside.
Ladies and gents, we are now boarding the Qatar Airways Boeing 777, and this is how it looks inside. This is the interior. The seat configuration is 2 to 2, meaning you get to sit with someone. So if you're someone who likes privacy, this can be a bit tricky because you literally get a neighbor. But I was so lucky I didn't have anyone to sit with, and that's why I was like so excited. So they also give you a welcome drink of your choice. So I had their signature lemon mint drink and a glass of champagne.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, so after a while they also bring for you ground nuts, so you can have with like your drink as you wait for like the plane to. So before takeoff they give you the menu. So they have the food menu and the wine menu. So the wine menu, they basically show you all the types of wines they have and like the champagnes, and you get to decide like what you want. And the food menu has like several meals, so you get to choose like a 3-course meal that you want. So that is a starter and a main meal and dessert.
I've decided. So I'll have the cream of chicken.
Okay, the soup.
Yeah, the soup.
Alright.
For my main, I'll have the lamb shank with barbecue sauce.
Oh, I ran out of the lamb. That is your first choice, right?
Yeah.
I will confirm if I get it from my colleagues. If I don't get it, would you like to go with the seafood or the vegetarian?
I think the seafood is okay.
The seafood, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just consider your first choice, but however, if I don't get it, then I might bring the seafood. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, how about for the dessert?
I'll have the fresh fruit.
The fresh fruit. Okay. And after takeoff drink, what would you like to have?
Just the same.
That was rosé,
Yeah.
lime and mint.
Yeah.
And with the bread, would you prefer to have the butter or the olive oil?
Butter.
Alright. Just to confirm again, after takeoff you have rosé with lime and mint, followed by the soup, lamb, the first choice. However, if I don't get it, the seafood,
Yeah.
and then the fruits.
Yeah.
Alright, and you like to dine after takeoff, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. The starter is so nice. Oh my god, that's so nice. Actually, so. So let me continue taking my pictures because I haven't found any yet.
So on your seat they have like these headphones, and they also have this the amenity kit, but it comes in a paper, in like a plastic paper. So inside was a pair of socks, a sleeping mask and earpods. It wasn't like as full as the other ones, so yeah, but it's okay.
If you're wearing a face shield or face mask, kindly remove the face shield or face mask before putting on the drop-down oxygen mask in case of any emergency decompression. Thank you.
Guys, we are leaving. I'm so tired. Like I'm exhausted. I just want to take a nap before I eat. I don't know if that's possible. But this flight is so nice. The flight attendants, they're so nice. Like this girl was so excited to take pictures of me. It's crazy. Like she was hyped. Picture. Like she was so excited for me. I was like, wow, that is so nice. May God bless her. It was so weird because I've never experienced that. Even like with other people, apart from like flight attendants, there's no one who's that nice, that kind. So that's really nice. You know, guys, let me take a nap, then I'll see you guys after a while. I don't know how these TVs work, but I'm gonna figure it out. Trust you will be dealt with. Trust. Okay. I see something here.
So on your seat you also find like a blanket and 2 pillows, which was really nice. Yeah.
They give you like candles. When they serve you dinner, they give you like candles. And then they also have like salt. Like they have literally salt shakers. Let me show you. Salt shakers. Black pepper. I don't know what this is. Then there's like butter, and then now this is like a candle. So bougie, so bougie.
So after eating, it was now time for me to take a nap. And my favorite thing is that the seats lay all the way flat. As you can see, it's just going to go down and then they lay flat and then you can just sleep comfortably. So that was really impressive.
So I just woke up. We have this thing wake up. We just landed. We're about to land in Doha. It wasn't actually a long flight, but I just felt so tired. I need to shower.
So if you watched the Ugandan Airlines review, which you should, you remember I had this thing in my amenity kit, which I didn't know what it was. So I found out that it's used to like put on your shoes, so that way you don't like break your nail or like hurt your finger when you're trying to put on your shoes, especially sneakers, which I think is really dope. So yeah, in case you didn't know, now you know. Now we all know. So I finally got to Qatar and I'm currently at the Hamad International Airport, and it's literally so huge. Like that airport is huge. So I was just like walking around trying to find my lounge, and they have like all these cars which can carry you just in case you get tired. They also have the, I don't know what these are called, but yeah, when you don't feel like walking you can use that.
Hi guys, so I just got to Qatar. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna be staying here for like 12 hours. So my next flight to Cape Town. So let's have fun. There's no fun here. Anyway, yeah. So I just wanted to tell you, oh my god.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and a real watch, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a tutu, make back pillows in the back. Too many vibes and they fully acting, someone gon' get.
So guys, I've been walking for a good 30 minutes now, trying to find my lounge. Bro, this airport is lit AF. Oh my god, but it's so pretty. Like there's so many designers. Yeah. Let me show you guys something. Oh, it's so nice. It's literally so nice.
Turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and a real watch, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I did.
So I finally found my lounge, and currently I am going to the Al-Mujan business lounge. I'm going to the south. There's north and south, and there's like so many other business lounges. So this is how it looks inside. It was really pretty and so big. So I'm just gonna let you guys see for yourselves, and yeah.
To Qatar. I'm currently at the airport. I don't remember the name of this airport. Let me check. But yeah, I'm currently at the airport. I'm at the business class lounge and I'm about to have breakfast. I'm so tired. I don't know why, like it's so hot. My lips is literally melting. Bruh, I need to shower. Like I'm sweating, literally sweating. So yeah, I'm about to have breakfast and then after that I want to start posting on Instagram. This lounge is so pretty. Let me show you guys. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. This is omelette, egg and croissant. It's a croissant. So I want to order more things just because I can. You guys, just because I can. What I love about this lounge is this, they have big glasses for juice. When you go to other lodges or like other places, even hotels, they usually have like tiny glasses like this for juice. And I'm usually like, bro, like who even drinks like juice like this kidogo? This is a big glass. Oh, I finished eating breakfast. I didn't actually enjoy the breakfast because like I don't know, I just don't enjoy the food. I don't get it. Like I just didn't enjoy it. So anyway, but like I had like it's fine. It's not an issue. So right now I'm having champagne for breakfast. So yeah, I'm having champagne. I'm gonna stay here for a while, maybe till like 12, because my flight is for 7:15 p.m. So I'm gonna stay here for like maybe till 12, and then after that I'm gonna go sleep because they have like sleeping rooms or like quiet rooms. I'm still gonna show you guys around because like this place is super big. I haven't even seen half of it. So yeah, sleeping badly.
When I wake up, I just wake up, thinking I can make this many songs. My lady, when I haven't met her, but she on me head, going 7-11. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been tempted with a song. In a minute, it's intoxicated. It weigh on your head, like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, let it to my lady. I just wanna play this in my catalog. I can make this.
I want to go in. It's lunchtime. Actually, it's not. It's like 11:45, but they say they're serving lunch. It's 11:45. They say they're serving lunch, so I want to eat now, and then I go to the room to sleep. So I have to go to the toilet first. So I don't want to be carrying my camera around because people are gonna be looking at me weird. So what I do, and my drink is here. My drink is still here. So what I do is I leave my camera like this. It won't be recording, but I'll just leave it like this. So in case anyone thinks of stealing or like putting anything in my drink, which I doubt can happen because there's like people, there's like security and like this is a bougie place. But I still have to be careful because I don't know people. You know, like even even rich people are malicious just because. Oh my goodness, that's so corny. Anyway, I just leave my camera here. Sometimes akikuja hapa anaweza dhani anarekodiwa, so ataogopa and then ataenda. But anyway, there's like people, there's like security here. So let me go to the toilet and then. A lady, she be happy down. I be in my feelings, sometimes I be jealous, but I keep it talking like it's not a villain. Ring, ring, hit my celly. Remember you went bad on me, I won't forget it. You said you wanted to tell him, you don't want to tell it. In the 26, you know I got you yelling. Thinking I can make this many songs about a lady when I haven't met her, but she on me head on my cerebellum. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Sweating, I'm addicted in a song, and I'm really it's intoxicated. It weigh on your head like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, let it turn my leg. I just wanna pleasure, so I got it all. Could it be monogamy ain't meant for me? That's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too western. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just in. So now I went for cake. I don't even like cake. I don't even eat cake. But I just want to eat just because, just to see how it tastes. I also ordered sushi. I don't even eat sushi, but I want to try. See, the thing is, I don't know when I'll ever get the chance to try these things because I don't have access to them back at home. Like when I go out, sushi is the last thing I would order. But since it's free here and I can eat it, why not? So this is nice, but it has too much sugar. And this kulang is easy too, but today. You take like this. You get, yeah, and then you dip. Imeanguka. You dip in this sauce. Okay. I hope it's nice because me I don't wanna puke. Okay, I think I can. Smoked salmon sushi because I'm so scared. I'm gonna juice up. Gonna juice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Copy the files, okay? And then you can
That's the kind of shit that you watch from a distance. This shit is disgusting. Let me stick to my cake.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot and cross right. Jumping peas. Drop the data, now we plotting. Inside the peas.
Hi guys. Wow. I know I always say wow and then I just never say what is going on. So it's 2:14 p.m. I had so many mimosas. I think I'm gonna go back and continue drinking so that when it gets the time for me boarding, I can sleep in the plane because my flight is like 10 hours. I don't want to sleep now because then I won't be able to sleep in the plane. So I think I'll just go back to drink my mimosas. But then ningekaa tu alafu nioge nikiingia kwa ndege. It's fine. So I came to shower and just freshen up because I feel so tired. So let me just give you guys a tour. So this is how the bathroom looks. This is where you put your clothes. That's my bag. And then now this is the sink area. Super nice, super cute. And then that's the bathroom. And then that's the toilet. Yeah.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm push a P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P.
Hi guys, so I finished showering. I'm now sober. Anyway, so before that I wanted to go to the, like, how's it called, the quiet room, but they said it's under maintenance, so like we can't access it. So there's also they showed me somewhere where I can sleep, which I might go there, or I was told to look for the family room. It's similar to the sleeping room, or like the quiet room. So yeah, I'm gonna look for the family room, and then I don't know if I'll stay there because I don't want to sleep. So I'm gonna look for it. If I'm gonna find it, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna stay there for a while. It's now it's 3:30. My flight is 4:08. Imagine. So I'm gonna go back to the restaurant and just chill there. I like the vibes. The vibes are vibing, so I think I'm gonna go back there. The only issue with the restaurant is that there's no like place to charge my gadgets, but I think I can deal with that. I can charge my gadgets once I get to Cape Town. Oh, actually I have a long flight. Anyway, yeah, I finished showering. It's so hot in this country. I can't believe I'm in Qatar, by the way. Say no nani hate. Anyway, I changed my top.
Push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm push a P, I'm push a P. Push a P, I'm push a P. Push it down, push a P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just want a couple.
So guys, they sent me back here. I'm gonna sit here for an hour, and then after that I'm gonna go to the restaurant to have a champagne as I wait for my flight. So many people are DMing me, telling me they work at Qatar Airways, which is so nice. Like, you guys have such a cool job. Wow, Sabawel. Ish. Well, Nakwambia, okay, so many people are DMing me about Qatar, like the airline. So many people work here. Thank you guys so much for reaching out. I wish I posted about it like way before, so maybe that way, I don't know, ingekuwa fun kukutana na nyinyi. But now people are telling me, oh, I'm not at work. I wish to get meet my way. Anyway guys, let me take a nap.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me.
Hi guys, I'm still drinking champagne, and this is a mimosa though. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm about to go board my flight. It's 7. I'm supposed to be boarding by 8, but I want to be there early so I can show you guys. I can show you guys the inside the plane. So if I go early, that means I get in early and I check in early, and it's easy for all of us. Yeah. So let me tell you guys what happened. So initially I was supposed to use the Q suit from Nairobi to Doha and from Doha to Cape Town, but they switched up the plane from Nairobi to Doha, so that I didn't use the Q suit as intended. So hopefully they haven't changed the plane from Doha to Cape Town. We're supposed to use a Q suit. That's the point. I hope they haven't changed it. Anyway, I'm about to leave now. I'm gonna see you guys once I check in. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and make sure you follow Alpha and myself on Instagram. I'm gonna leave our handles here, and watch out for part 2 where we get into the Q suit. Bye.